Do you absolutely hate packing for a trip? I'm going to give you a tip that's going to help you out. Coming up. Welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. I'm Michelle, and every Tuesday I share a practical and helpful travel tip to save you time, money, and headaches. Today is all about packing. It's one of the things that people hate the most when it comes to travel. They hate having to pack their clothes up when they go to leave as well as when they come home. Now, I'm going to focus on when you go to leave. So we were planning a trip to Disney World, and it was summertime, it was June, and so I'm wearing all the clothes that I was going to be bringing on this trip. And what ended up happening is as I'm packing and it's getting down to the wire, like the day before, I have a mountain of laundry to do because these were all clothes that I wanted to bring on the trip with me that I've been wearing. So I had to quickly do some laundry, which is the last thing you want to do when you're planning to leave for a trip. When you're trying to pack and prepare your house and get out the door on time, the last thing you want to be doing is laundry. So what I learned from that trip and what I've been doing ever since then is I pull aside all of the clothes that I plan to bring prior. So about a week, maybe 10 days before I travel, I pull aside the clothes that I want to wear. This way, I make sure that I'm not wearing the exact items that I want to pack and bring on the trip. Yes, it might mean that I'm a little limited at home with what I'm going to wear. I might be going into my, B wardrobe instead of my A wardrobe, but it's all right because I don't really care at home if I'm wearing like my nicest stuff or my stuff that I feel the most confident in. I care about it on vacation. I want to wear my cute stuff. I want to wear my summer clothes. I want to wear anything new that I've purchased. I want to do that on vacation. So to make sure that I'm not running laundry the day before I'm leaving while I'm trying to pack, I just pull all that stuff aside. I pull it out of my closet and I put it in a separate room so I'm not even tempted to wear it. This has saved me so much time, money, and headaches because I'm not running out and buying something because I don't feel like doing the laundry. It saves me time because I'm not doing laundry the day I'm trying to leave. And it's saved me headaches because I'm not forgetting things. I go and pack everything ahead of time. It's set aside, it's ready to go, and I'm packed and ready by the time I need to leave. The only thing I usually have to pack the morning of is like my toiletries, my toothbrush, things like that I need that morning before we leave. But other than that, everything is packed. So I recommend pulling aside what you plan on bringing at least 5 days ahead of your trip, so that way you can pack it ahead and you don't have to worry about it being dirty or being forgotten. It's all pulled aside and ready to go. If you found today's tip helpful, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. I appreciate knowing that these tips are helping you. I'd love to know what tips you would like me to cover coming up. What's your burning questions? What are the things that cause you headaches and cause you to waste time and money when you're traveling that you wish you knew another way? Put them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe because every Tuesday I have a brand new travel tip for you and you don't want to miss a thing. Thank you for watching the Traveling Cheesehead and Travel Tip Tuesday. Until next time, travel safe.